Hello, traders. How y'all doing today? Your boy Arnold is back. We're out for a whole week. We went on a quick little vacation, but now we are back on this chart. However, while we were on vacation, I could not live stream, but I was trading personally. And what a week it was. It was a quite challenging week, but however, your boy Arnold, I still managed to come out on top, with a little something to kind of take care of the vacation. You know what I mean? But we're back today, full swing. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's Sunday, a lot of things are going on. Your boy Arnold is dripped, ready, going for some party, in a couple of minutes, so I just gotta be in here and just make this money, right? We gotta make the money before we go out. So just right here, hoping the market, let's pray the market be gracious to us so we can make something real quick to buy some coffee. Alrighty, what are we seeing right now? A couple of things are happening. This was Friday close. The market opened with a slight gap, went about 11 pips away from the open price, created this sell side liquidity which has not been grabbed, went back up, resisted from the Friday trading area, came back down, created an area of resistance. As we all know, that strong range was likened to an area of accumulation, and we saw price trying to go break past this level, but it was a strong rejection. It came back and it created this range and accumulated within this range for the first hour of trading. That was important. That is indicative. That could be indicative that this is about to be a strong bearish momentum, because for the first 1 hour the market traded all the way bearish, and it tried to go back up, but it rejected. Onto 1 hour, it went past the open price for a bullish trend. In this situation, we are more likely to see this overall. The overall bias is more of a sell. It's more of a sell. Everything that is happening right now, if you ask me, I think that is misdirection. So this breakout here that was breaking out, trying to induce all the sell side traders that were trading that the range was going to go back down. The market went, you're grabbing the cash resolve, grabbing the liquidity, and it kept going up, inducing more uptrend buyers thinking that it's going to be uptrend. Then this is a strong areas where they probably put it as support. It came back down and took them out. And in the process, it created some kind of fair value gap. And right there, you see what was happening. There's a little range around the fair value gap area. Seems like the market is rejecting that area. This could be a good place on entry. This could be a good place on entry if you ask me. Right here. Oh no. Yep. That was the right entry. We didn't take it, but if you were quick enough, you probably got in there. And we target this low 1 to 3. That's a good risk reward. It's a good risk reward. We are protected by structure right here. So if the market takes us out, it was meant to take us out. Yep. Overall, everything is bearish. Look at all the candles. Look at the correlated pair. GBP, JPY bearish. Euro, JPY bearish. Everything is red. There is blood on the street. All the pairs are red. That by itself should solidify our confidence in the sell. Okay. In the sell, we are still confident. That is our entry. We are waiting to see what happened, but I'm pretty convinced the market has given us our entry. It went created this fair value gap, went and retested the fair value gap, and it's stubborn still. Stubborn, that's a strong rejection. Strong rejection. It's a strong rejection around that area. Strong rejection. Yep. This is a sell. We take it. If it goes against us, that's fine. But there's just strong rejection around that area. Yeah, we can't let that go. We can't just let it go, buddies. Yep, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. The market came back down, rejected that area, the strong fair value gap, and is still filing, but we are in. There's nothing we can do. All we can do is to wait. Overall, I think we are in a good side. There's a lot of pull on liquidity on the sell side. And overall, we are confident that this is going to be a sell. And we think this movement right now is a manipulative move. With that understanding, we are not bulging. We are not shaking. Our hands are. We have a steady hand in this regard, and we are just waiting. Okay, guys, you gotta wait. If you can't wait, you're not ready to be a trader. Part of being a trader is learning how to wait, because most of the things we do is to wait. Once we have our analysis done and we have our convictions in place and our biases in place, all we gotta do is to execute. And for us to execute, we don't just shoot carelessly. We are snipers. We literally sit and wait for our entry. When the market comes to our entry, guess what we do? We pull the trigger. Because you know what? If you have weak hands, if you have shaky hands, you're not willing to pull the trigger, you are going to miss an important entry. And somebody might like, oh, I don't know, what if I pull the trigger and it's a loss? Welcome to trading, my friend. We pull the trigger and we have no control of the outcome. If it's a loss, we take it gladly, but we make sure the loss is minimized. If it's a win, we receive it gladly, because guess what? We are traders, and trading is a game of probability and letting the chips fall where it might be, leaving our numbers play out in a long range. 100 of bets, let them play out, not just one, not two, not five. We measure our performance by hundreds of bet. That is what we do. Right now, the market is kinda trying to go get us out. But guess what? We are not budging. If it takes us out, it means the market is really on some strong bullish movement, because we are protected by a lot of structure. If the market takes us out, it is what it is. If it takes us out, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna be so angry. Why did it take me out? Why did the market take me out? Why did it take me out? I'm not supposed to lose because I am that guy. Okay. You are not ready for the market if you think like that. If you think like a baby. where the market just gotta give you everything you want. Today I'm gonna win. Boom, you win. The market doesn't work like that, buddy. This is it's an environment filled with sharks. Nobody gives a damn about you. If they can take the last penny out of your pocket, boy, better believe it, they will get that penny out of your pocket. That is just what the market does. They chase for liquidity and they grab it from whosoever might have liquidity. If you happen to be one of them, they're going to grab your dollars. Even if they have billions of dollars in their keeping, they're still going to grab yours. I think this is perfect. The market came back, the pullback came back. We're expecting a long pullback before a retest of that area of liquidity grab, but it didn't give us a long pullback. But this could be a win. 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 If the market break back this area, I think I'm gonna bring my stop loss to take profit, and I will increase getting the second trade. Add another trade. But it looks like it's gonna take us out. Please don't take me out. Take the other guy out. Take the other guy out. Take the other guy out. Take the guy who's online out. Don't take me out, please. I wish the market could hear that. Oh no. The market took me out, guys. I thought me pleading would make it not to take me out. But apparently, my pleading did not cause the market to change his mind, and they took me out against my wish. How dare you? How dare you hit my stop loss? How dare you? Guess what? This is not me chasing price, but it's me executing the second strategy. The second strategy, we expect price to come to this line. If price come to that line, we are going for the second strategy. We are not crying over what we lost, but we are just executing another strategy. The first loss was like a little teaser. We're just trying to grab a little something out of the market. Now, the market might give us our second opportunity, but it's not our final holy grail. But this is one of our strategies that has a high probability. And when something has a high probability, we go for it. Look at what is happening. The market is sitting in that area because that is an important area in the market. Sitting around that area. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. Come to me, come to me, come to me, come to me. Touch our line, boys. Go all the way to where we want you to be. I think we are not on a bullish move yet. Go to my entry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's manage this. Let's manage this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at what the market is doing. Look at what the market is doing. Let's see. Let's see. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. The market is respecting our zone. See, reacted to that liquidity zone right there, but it's not coming through all the way. Is there a fair value gap or some? There's a fair value gap at the bottom. Yeah, we're waiting. Patiently waiting. This looks good. I like what I'm saying. There was a rejection, strong rejection breaking the bullish high. That is interesting. A little bit of retracement. So we're waiting. I think the market reacted to our levels. That is a good thing. We're waiting to see what becomes. What is the market doing to your boy? All right, interesting. This is a Sunday. The market is not requesting to anything. We are throwing at 8 on a Sunday. But guess what? We are still here. We are still here. We are not panicking. We are not changing our strategy. We are not doing anything stupid. That candle, I like it. I like that. I like that rejection. Okay. Interesting. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Interesting. We are still in there. The market is going against us at the moment, but we staying calm, collected. This is the game we play. This is the game we choose. When it's going against us, we let it play out. Nothing stupid. We're not gonna chase it. We're not gonna try to do something crazy. We're gonna let it go. And at reasonable levels, we're gonna start taking some loss. Let it hit our stop losses. Interesting. It seems like the tide has shifted. Seems like the tide have shifted. Seems like the tide has shifted to overall bullish. Let's see. JBP, JPY is coming through. Is this the change of direction or it is still a liquidity grab? What is this? Let's see how that kind of play out. That little wick, that little doji, that little doji. Fair value gap down. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. I think we are having signs of the market going down. I am not too convinced that this is a strong uptrend move. I am not too convinced. I am thinking based on what is being unfold, just looking through the candles. I am thinking the market will go down. But it just took us a little bit deep into our entry and eating some of our profit, but I think it will go down. I don't like that. However, there are still good signs. They are still good signs. They are still good signs. Yep, I like those. I like what we are seeing. I like the doji bar. I like what we are showing, quite honestly. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's see. That doji's a rejection bar. Why is price messing around that area? Could it be they are done with all the manipulation and now they are ready to go back to the intended decision? Could it be now the institutions are selling at that level because they've been able to take all the buy side liquidity? Could it be that's what is happening? Could it be? Could it be that the market is going to go down from there at least 10 points? At least 100 points? Was I right? Could that be? It looks like I might be right. But let's see how it plays out. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay. And guys, pay attention. If it's that the institution have got in there for a sell at a discount price to take it all the way down, you're going to see how the price is going to be moving fast. It's going to be moving fast to the downside. It's going to be a fast move to the downside. But what I don't like, there is a fair value gap. I don't like that much. I don't like. So, yeah, we are in a tight place at the moment. Quite honestly, I can't really tell if we are going down or going up with some kind of certainty. But you know, the market, there is no certainty, right? Just certainty in my conviction. I'm a little bit dangling right now on shaking legs in terms of where I think we're gonna go. Coupled to the fact that JPY just turned from a bearish to a bullish. Euro JPY turned bullish, Australian JPY turned bullish. And the correlated pairs are all aligning for a bullish direction. That is quite concerning to me. When all the correlated pairs are aligning, maybe the buyers are up to something and this was not a manipulation or liquidity grab. Maybe this was actually the intended direction. The price action is kinda entertaining, to say it mildly. It's trying to reject around that area. At the same time, it's like indecisive. I wonder why. I wonder why the market is indecisive right now. I wonder why. I wonder why the 5 trillion market will stand still at that price. I wonder why. Why? Why are they standing still at that price? Could it be they really want to go down and they are trying to get many people picked out? Bruh. What is going on? Are we changing directions or are we not changing directions? Are we changing directions or are we not changing directions? Talk to me, boys. What do you think is happening in this crazy market? What do you think is happening? I think. I like what I'm saying. I like it. It looks like something entertaining is about to happen. It looks like it. It looks like something entertaining is about to happen. It looks like we might be right. I like that gap. Do you guys see the gap? Do you guys see that gap? There's a little gap that happened. Why is the market standing still? What are they deciding to do? Just go down. Take it down. Take it down. Let's go all the way. Let's go all the way 100 point. Let's go. Yeah, I said that yeah, that fair value gap there was not. Yeah, that's like a barricade, if you ask me. That's a little barricade. What do I do with what I know? That's a barricade. That's a barricade. That's a barricade. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a barricade. That's a barricade. That is not a good area. Yeah, I think we're going up. We're going up at this point. We're going up. What should a smart man do? Should I cut the losses or should I wait? I will wait. 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 But yeah, I think we are going up. I think we are going up. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I don't like that area. An accumulation. Yeah, that could be. Who could be having multi accumulation? And then the market is gonna do another manipulation. Yeah, this is not looking too good. I don't know my way around here, but I still have an open position going down. However, I close out of the second position. Let's see. Yeah, I was still convinced, but the fair value gap down just makes me feel a kind of way. A kind of way. Yeah. Ooh, let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Everything looks on the uptrend now. Yeah, we are up. We are uptrend. This is uptrend. I don't care what I think, but all the evidence in the market is proving that we are going up. Everything is proving we are going up. GBP JPY bear bullish. Euro JPY bullish. Everything seems to be bullish right now. Everything seems to be bullish. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, boys, everything is going uptrend. Everything is uptrend. You never know. We might still just go down. There could be a sudden push down. This could still be the manipulative move, and the real direction is still down. But we are just too deep. If this is a manipulation, we are a little bit too deep into it. Now, think is like one of those multi manipulative move where there is two form of accumulation within the same manipulative move. More like they're just trying to bait all the buy side liquidities, taking all the bullish traders to eventually go down. That could still be it. That could still be it. Everything can happen in this market. Everything on the books looks that we're heading for an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, breaking down, touching previous lows. Everything in the book would suggest we're going up. Everything in the book suggests we are going up, but we could still go down. It could still happen. It could still happen. Interesting. Yeah. This is Sunday. Sunday, the plot twist is a lot more tricky, more trickier than it normally is. Yeah, this is a complex manipulation happening right in front of our eyes. And don't be surprised that this end up going down. But they're doing everything to make sure that they grab as much buy sell liquidity to eventually fill the orders of the big boys. And they're buying it now at a cheaper price and sending it all the way down. That too could happen. Yep. But we're waiting. Our stop loss is there. It's like literally close to our stop loss, guys. Literally close. It's not healing it. I don't know, but it's literally close to our stop loss. Let's see. Is it a loss? Is it a loss? Everything says going up. Everything says going up. But at the same time, everything can happen. Alrighty. Took us out. 16. Let's see if we hit our next area. Okay. This is our re-entry. This is the re-entry. This is our holy grail. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. This is our holy grail. This is when we're getting with a big entry. Let's see how it plays out. Seems like our third entry will give us the money. This is when we get into like the real entries, and every other thing that we got in was just more like we were just baiting, getting like a little pips every now and then. This is where we make all the money. And if it goes here accordingly, we're gonna recover the little things we lost and make profit. Because this is our sniper. Hurry up, guys. I don't want to wait. Just give me the money. Give me the money. Normally, this could give us the money in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Shouldn't take that long. It shouldn't take that long. Come on, guys. Give me the money. Come on, give me the money. Come on, go, 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 go down. Let's go. One, two, three, 4 minutes. 4 minute in. We need this done in 10 minutes. Don't take more than that. Give us this in 10 minutes. Give us this in 10 minutes. Oh, I don't like that. What do you guys think is likely to happen, guys? We are still here. I'm still waiting for it to come to us to give us a profit. We're in a couple of pips in profit, but we're still waiting. It's taking longer, which is not always a good thing when it takes that long. It's not always a good thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 6 minutes in. It's not long. It's not always a good thing when it takes that long. I like when you just get in and you just give us profit like quick. When it's retracing, making all this little, you don't like it too much. Let's go. Don't wait, just go. Don't wait, just go. Oh my. I don't like it. What the hell is going on? Give me my money. I've been waiting. I don't like it. I don't like it when you be doing me like this. What is going on? Sunday. Chemos acted as if he was about to give us some money. Went back and closed our entry. And we are just sitting now, waiting. Okay. Where we go for some arbitrage now? Don't do too much. We are staying, guys. We are staying. We are staying. We are in the game still. We are in the game still. All right, guys, it's time. We are done for today. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now.